No! No! I got greedy! I got greedy! Cementos! Save me! Cementos, save me! Cementos! And here we are with another episode of Ultra Rumble. Today we're playing as Tech Shiggy. They have nerfed him. He has 50 less HP. I don't think they really did much of anything else, but they're trying to stop him from being the kind of raid boss of Ultra Rumble, where kind of no matter what you do, it's really, really hard to take him down unless you focus him. This Shigaraki, Tech Shiggy, is kind of my, the guy that I use to just kind of carry myself to ace if I ever get really frustrated. But I tend not to play him because he is really busted. Like, genuinely busted. So, the nerf is fairly needed. But is it enough? We'll have to find out. We're gonna go help him.
An item. Does anyone need it?
There's. Whoa! Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and heal back up on that.
I'll head over here.
Just gonna keep trying to use the alpha to go through the wall here. Okay, couldn't catch her, couldn't catch her. Caught her that time, nope.
I'm under attack.
Get him twice.
One enemy down. I'm terrible.
Okay, okay. Nice. Up. I thought that's where he went, but clearly it wasn't.
One enemy down.
I'm just gonna use my gamma to heal back up. So that way, I accidentally turned it off. So that way I don't have to heal. I don't have to use any resources.
An item. Ignore it.
Your end. Disappear. Turn to dust.
He's flying away, all right.
Anything. What did you? I'll smash you.
Okay.
The Demon Lord. This report brought to you by President.
I see. The whole team is back.
Where are you looking?
Okay. We're just gonna go ahead and use our blue. Gotta keep on healing. Keep strong.
An item. Ignore it.
Is he up there?
Twist it to bits. I'll destroy you.
He's right there though.
Time to die. That your best? Meet your end. You won't do anything.
Damn.
I see right through you.
He doesn't get to have a speaker.
Some haven't made it to the safe area.
Meet your end.
It's been a while since I played him. Really need to get that last bit of gamma.
Oopsie, my mouth moved on its own.
Yeah, I see him. We're just gonna go ahead and use a small blue right now.
Already.
Well, that's a regular Shigaraki.
Twist it to bits.
Everybody else is moving over here. Ouchies.
Disappear.
Sometimes you just gotta go up and come back down. They don't really expect that.
Where are you?
Hey, Dobby, I can still hit you through that.
You won't do anything. Twist it to bits. Disappear.
That didn't quite work the way I'd like to.
You won't do anything.
We're just gonna stay there.
Disappear.
Thanks for giving me my gamma back.
I will destroy you.
Think I give a fuck about your fire barrier?
Where are you?
Ooh, I give a fuck about compress though.
Twist it to bits. Disappear. Disappear.
Pay attention if you want to stay alive!
Let's go. I see right through.
I almost got you.
I'll smash you. Disappear. Meet your end.
Sometimes you just gotta go up and come back down. It just works out.
Need more recovery items.
I'll just use a full heal. Better than it sitting in my pocket at this point.
No one's in the safe area? Amazing.
So I see right through you. I'll smash you. I'm sick of this. You won't do anything.
I hit her for a second there.
Meet your end. Power of the demon lord.
Nice. Nice, nice.
One enemy down.
I really badly need levels.
Serious.
I need a recovery item.
Time.
Got you.
Twist it to bits.
All good here.
What the fuck was that?
My mouth moved on its own.
What the fuck?
I'll end this.
Ah, man. I don't know what the hell was going on. I was
Beat.
Couldn't multiply.
fucking stepping around. My movements were sped up. I don't know why. That was weird, dude. He's got a revive card. Might be okay.
Meet them head on. What? Using this.
Nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice.
Appreciate it. You won't do anything.
I hit him for 10.
It's what you've all been waiting for! An item box appeared!
Well, I'm glad that Twice gets to be
Turn to dust.
fully maxed out.
Outside the safe area.
Not so fast.
I was hoping to hit her on that.
Let me go. Turn to dust. Meaningless.
You're just gonna let me do it. I wanted to be around the wall.
Disappear. Disappear. I see right through you.
I don't know what's going on in this game right now.
You won't do anything. Oh no.
They're defeated. That was simple.
Twisted to bits. I see right through you.
Damn it. I almost had him though. I'm just gonna let it come back.
30 seconds till the safe area moves! You'll get swallowed up if you're not
Already.
careful!
Oh, I didn't even mean to hit you.
Not so fast. Where are you?
But I'm fine with it. Get out of here, compress.
I I see right through you.
There, your compass.
So it's
What the hell? There, your compass.
disappear. Level up. Time to die.
Ouchies.
Cockroach. Level up. Disappear. I will destroy you.
Ah. Ow.
Turn to dust.
I'm getting back in. You're not stopping me.
Disappear. I see right
No! Oh! Ooh, boy. I just need to go right here. I compress. You're a different one. Oh, no. It's always a Sue. Always a Sue. Thanks, twice.
Meet the dark.
Dang.
Strike! Cloak yourself around.
Oh, he's got bunny hop.
You're mine. Cloak yourself around. This is not good. Strike them down. Not so fast.
Somebody's got a revive card around here.
Cloak yourself around.
That's pretty crazy. Bunny hop on Sokoyami? Sokoyami?
Cloak yourself around.
Well,
Return. Virus.
which one's the real me? No, she's got permeation. There would have been a good beta.
Not so fast. Cloak yourself around.
Nice. Keep up the pressure. Keep up the pressure. Ooh, ooh, here she comes.
I am fully cloak yourself around. You're mine. Drag them
Oh
in.
man, there's so much crazy stuff going on right now.
Float.
Come on, Tokoyami.
Toy. You're not getting away. Cloak yourself around. Goodbye. Strike them down. Cloak yourself around.
He's over here. Being pretty crazy.
Cloak yourself around. You're mine.
I think she was mostly just trying to
Cloak
heal.
yourself around.
Oh man, he armored through it.
Don't let up.
Just try it.
Not good.
Obviously, the shield's not gonna block her.
Go for.
Nice, 122 damage.
I'm trapped.
Here comes twice for the save.
You're mine.
Like acceleration on Tokoyami makes so much sense.
I'm still standing.
I'm still standing. Maybe not. Not anymore.
I couldn't hold out.
Time safely. Can you dodge this? Save me, try not a chance.
Save me twice. She's healing up there.
Sting like a bee.
I think she got it off.
How about this? All right.
Here he comes. Oh no. I don't even know who's on whose team. We're at top 3.
Which one's the
Sue's
real
over there going crazy. Ochako's healing up there.
tough as nails?
That was weird.
Save me, twice.
Save me twice. That's so funny. Twice as funny.
Dodge now. Sting like a bee.
Oh, nice. Make that clone. Make that clone.
One enemy down. I'm terrible.
Oh, you got. Well, I guess I understand. Because she might have had a revive card. Is what I'm thinking. But
Sting like a bee.
he didn't even get a chance to look. He just needs to heal. Special action reload makes sense. It's only level 3, so I guess he's only got it on one of the basic costumes.
Recovery complete. Drive safely.
I can't make it anymore.
You could at least look if there's a revive card there. Oh, she's back! She just
Doesn't hurt.
gave some armor.
Sting like a bee. Save me, Christ.
Obviously, there's a Sue.
All right. Drive safely.
Oh, no.
No way.
Youch. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Sting like a bee. Which one's the real one?
Gotta watch out, 'cause Dobby can just...
All good
Speaking
here.
of Dobby, Dobby could have just thrown an alpha and still hit him. Well. GG's. GG's. Oh! Second place. GG's. I'm guessing they had Sue, no Jocko. No, Dobby and... It didn't look like Sue was against Aizawa, but hey. 4K damage, 2 KOs. A little bit of a warm-up. First game.
This will work.
Team KO of 6. So, I mean, I got half of them. Let's try for match number 2!
Operations complete.
Here we are for a match number 2. We have Cementos, so we have at least some revives that will be allowed. Be pretty cute.
Need your anger.
Go play in traffic.
Got a regular strike Bakugo, so we'll see how that goes. And I already got a Deku that I have to deal with. So let's kick his ass right now.
Rubbish. Take you down.
Enemies attacking. Quit messing around.
30 seconds. Be a good hero and hustle.
I had to wait until I had my second beta back.
Look out. You're serious.
Jeez.
Take you down. Disappear. Level up.
I can hit you through the wall, you can't hit me. That's just the way that it is.
Let's start. Everyone's in the same.
And those guys. Nice. I mean, I kind of stole it, but it is kind of a... Somebody's playing as... Tech, Tech Shiggy.
Eat this.
At you.
And that's the new safe area. I'll warn you when it's gonna move.
You're all mine. I need to kill it.
Annihilation. Dismal.
Oh, goodness. Okay.
Take you down. Disappear. Level up.
Enemies here.
Disappear.
Well, at least he missed that time.
Over here.
Get fisted. Oops. Bare knuckle brawl. Let's go. Bare knuckle brawl.
Disappear.
Wow, that was silly.
Careful. Enemies here.
Take you down. Just getting started. Go. Eat this.
Careful! Enemies here!
I tried to catch him. Here I come.
No sweat. Everyone's in the safe area.
Over here.
Look, you picked this fight.
I don't care anymore.
Oh no! Well, I mean, I got the heal off.
Level. We'll take it down. Dismal. You're serious?
What's that?
No, no!
Yeah, sure
Oh
thing,
no!
I guess.
Annihilation.
Gonna come up, come right back down.
Disappear, disappear. No way. Eat this.
Nice.
An item! See if you can use it.
Gotcha.
Hand it over.
Surprise.
New safe area established. If you're not in it, what are you doing?
Ouchies. I do not want to deal with you. Not when my HP is this low.
This crook.
Someone better grab the item.
Smoke fry. Crumble. Level. Cut through.
Thank you.
Over here. Level.
No. Oh, God.
Disappear.
Safe area moves in 30 seconds. I repeat, 30 seconds.
Surprise. Annoying.
Oh, sweet. I got
One hit.
a quirk leveled up. Quit. Leave me alone. Quit your shit.
Not so fast.
I need recovery items.
Get lost.
Man, you're gonna let it happen.
Hey, some idiots aren't in the safe area.
Careful! Enemies here!
One hit.
Damn it.
Careful! Enemies here!
I'll smash you. One hit.
No! No! I got greedy! I got greedy! Cementos! Save me! Cementos, save me! Cementos! Yay!
Good. You're still breathing.
Thanks, Cementos. You're the best.
Turn to dust. Get lost.
No. No. Okay. Alright. I'll calm down.
Already.
I really just wanted to get that token. But I'll calm down.
Much better.
Are there people around here, Cementos? Did I help?
You'll get swallowed up if you're not
Well, she's not. So she's part of the feature team. Cause they were the big three.
Stealing all the
Kidding? How am I down? We're doing this. Get over here.
How are you down?
Get away.
Meet your end. Be gone. Turn to dust. Don't get
Safe area is getting smaller!
Okay, I still hit her.
Everyone needs to move!
one hit.
Still hit you.
Smash you. Cockroach.
No, I'm gonna fly by. Oh man.
What did you do?
Well. Get locked in here. Okay. Gotta take this moment to heal then.
Careful, enemies here. Let's go.
Ah, I was trying to roll.
The safe area has moved. This report
Nice. Oh man. We're gonna come up here. Gonna heal a little bit. Oh, apparently not. Apparently we aren't going to heal. There's a cracked out Monoma. Joke's on you, I got it off. Ooh.
Already.
Little blues, little blues.
Let's go.
Little blues save lives.
One hit.
Yeah, I saw you in there.
I'll smash you. Get lost.
Oh, he's way too far up. If I can get this, I can get my gamma maxed out.
So it's
Well, never mind.
such power.
Hey, some idiots aren't in the safe area.
Twisted.
I was trying to stop him from doing this combo.
I'll smash you. Disappear. Disappear.
We're doing this.
Just
Get
gotta-
over here.
Get Aizawa. It looks like he's trying to run.
Disappear. Get away.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to.
Someone better grab
I just had to.
What's their ass handed to
Nice,
them
nice. Come here, Bakugo.
Look, I found an item.
Just fly right on into you. Oh man, I probably could have caught her there. Nope, I was too far to the left.
I'll smash you.
Well, sorry about your pillars, but she's dead.
What did you do?
Ow. Oh, sweet. Nice. We're just gonna drop those.
We've defeated the guards down. Could use some help. Careful, enemies here.
I was hoping she'd stay there.
Careful, enemies here.
It's not gonna be much I can do, though.
Careful, enemies here.
Get up, get up, get up. Nice.
Are you kidding? How am I down? Don't do anything dumb. Light Nitro. Are you kidding? How am I down?
You should join.
What's that? Ah, yeah, sure.
Got the
thanks,
advantage.
I guess.
I'll smash you.
Careful, enemies here.
Disappear. Disappear.
I need my gamma back.
I'll end this.
We're gonna go ahead and use a big green, get our HP up so we can get our gamma to recharge again. Just try and get them through the ground, just like that. He's freaking out. I don't want anybody getting back in. Didn't even mean to do that. That was not how that move is intended to be used.
Enemies here.
Meet your end.
He's gonna use his moves to stay in the air longer.
I'll smash you.
Gotcha. Oh, he just went all the way down here.
Enemies here.
Nice catch, nice catch.
Fire! I'm taking you down!
Get away.
Oh, she's gone, she's gone. She's out of the game. There's no way. I traded. Traded.
Meaningless. Not so fast. Get lost.
Go ahead and just use some of these blues that we got. We got them for a reason.
What did you do? Turn to dust. So itchy. What did you do? Disappear.
Damn it.
Twisted to bits. Cockroach.
Nice.
Escape!
Taste the ground!
Ooh, nice. That gives me and Cementos time to get that off. He stunned me.
Stupid game.
I'm just gonna go ahead and use a blue.
Already.
I'm ready! Come at me!
Get away.
I know I didn't help with that, but
Meet your end.
we all have to try.
Here we go!
Oh, man.
Get lost.
Nope. 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 Shouldn't have tried it. Shouldn't have tried it.
Shut the hell up!
Quit.
Well, I got the game off. So, I mean, hey, there's that.
An item. See if you can use it.
Twisted to bits.
Last team. Oh, man.
What did you do? Get lost. Get away. I'll smash you. Turn to dust.
I'm mostly just trying to wait for her to stay in one place for the quick second I need to alpha. Just like that.
You're serious? Get away.
I got close.
Touch me and die.
Still hit her.
Disappear.
Gotcha.
On second thought, careful. Enemies here.
Who wants their
Nice.
ass handed to them next?
I gotta get up. No, I gotta get up.
I need
He's taking way
recovery
too much
items.
damage.
Disappear. I'll end this.
Not enough recovery items.
No!
Disappear.
I just needed that quick second, though.
Recovery items.
Quit.
I mean, I appreciate,
I need recovery
even though I know,
You're serious?
Taste the ground!
I know that if I had just been able to stay alive for a couple seconds longer.
Careful. Enemies here.
I'll destroy you.
Careful. Enemies here.
Hi, Deku.
Who wants their ass handed to them next?
Careful. Enemies here.
Hi, Deku.
Yo.
One hit. Touch me and die.
Don't think so.
Here we go.
Take that.
I'll destroy you. Just die already.
Try and stop me.
Careful.
Get away.
Enemies here.
Die.
One hit.
I win.
Out.
Disappear. convince you. This is your end.
Oh, I got him! Oh, I got him! I got him!
Level up.
An item.
There,
See if
I
you
maxed
can
out
use
now.
it.
Don't ignore me.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! I got him at the top! Ah, that was sweet, that was awesome.
Amazing battle, champion!
Let's have a nice chat.
Let's have a nice chat, eh? 9k damage, 5 KOs. Cementos get some likes. Tech Shiggy can dish out some damage, dude. Heck yeah. What was our team KO? 12? 12 for the team KOs? I got 5. Almost half. Hell yeah, man. Getting a little bit more of the groove. I fucking love Tech Shiggy. He's so fun. He's so good. He's so strong. I think every Shiggy has the same problem of you need to get your levels. If you don't have levels, you're not going to be able to survive. Not as much as a lot of other characters are probably going to be okay. Momo's probably going to be fine if she doesn't get a bunch of levels. But Shiggys, pretty much all of them, they need levels for that. For Tech Shiggy, it's the reload speeds. For Strike Shiggy, it's for the range, for his boat beta for one, gets bigger, and the Assault Shiggy, I think his is also reload speed is what he really needs, but it is also, of course, zone increased for because that's just how the game works. We're gonna see match number 3. Match number 3.
Preparations complete.
We're here for match number 3. These two aren't quite as high of a level as I would like, so we'll see what their skills are like. Might have to try and clutch. Sometimes I can clutch. This Shiggy's pretty much the only one I could probably clutch with. Well, Strike Shiggy I can, but not as much anymore.
Ribbit! I saved the civilian evacuee!
Also, somebody is near me. So we're gonna
Level up.
grab what we can.
Level up.
Does anyone need these items?
Level up.
I'll take that.
Look, enemy attack. What a pain.
Get dunked on.
I saved the civilian evacuee!
New safe area.
Use.
Damn it.
What did you do?
Damn it. Damn it.
Not so fast. Go.
Look, if you're gonna activate that, I'm at least gonna alpha you.
Meet your end. Getting sick of this.
Oh man, that hurt. It's about time.
Be on alert.
And well, he's gonna try to finish me off. Oh, you got through the ice. He tried.
Push through. Solid fight.
Ribbit! I took care of one of
Well, took down him
them. Get
at
you.
least.
Hey! Good items. What a relief. Enemy attack!
I'm dead. I'm not gonna be able to pick it up.
Ouch.
Oh no, man.
Feeling trapped?
I mean,
I'll
good
head
on the
over
triple
this way.
tongue hit there. Woo! Getting back, getting back.
Appreciate it.
30 seconds till the safe area moves. You'll get
Backpack.
swallowed up if you're not careful.
I say I might have to clutch up and then I'm the first one down.
Cockroach.
I think I just jinxed myself is what it was. Okay. I would like to get these to Todoroki.
Look, I found an item.
I'll head over this.
Level up. Pierce.
Well, that was bullshit.
Item. What a relief.
I mean, he's not really paying attention to any of the items.
And that's the new safe area. I'll warn you when it's gonna move again.
Use these blues.
Let's go. Go.
Hide.
Pierce.
Gotcha.
Despair. Turn to dust. Meet your end.
Well, you weren't even who I was aiming for. Hi.
Too naive.
I tried to dodge roll. Man.
Already.
There's no reason for you to use that. Don't use that. Don't use it. No! Didn't need you to use that. I was fine. I was fine, dude.
Turn to dust.
No. I should have hit the building. Lame. Lame, 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 lame. Lame, lame, lame.
Pierce.
I see you. There we go. I need some alphas,
Disappear.
dude.
Disappear. Move.
The safe area has moved. This will put present night.
Ooh, boy.
Damn. Pierce.
Sorry. One second thought. Never mind.
That's always a suit.
Impudent.
I was going to.
Not so fast.
The safe area moves in 30 seconds. I repeat.
I need
30
alphas.
seconds.
I need alphas really bad.
Level up. Let's go. Already.
I'll grab you.
Let's go. Smoke fire.
I'll just do it again.
Despair.
Everyone is outside the safe area. Let's hurry.
Cockroach. Go. Go. Turn to dust.
Dang it.
Disappear. Disappear. Not so fast. Pierce.
Almost caught him enough.
Move quick. Stepped up.
Stealing all the items. I like it.
The safe area has changed. I'll hit you
sorry. I can't keep going.
I don't have any heals. I can't do
I'll
anything.
leave the rest to you.
Too bad.
Well, it's a bit late for that.
Seconds till the safe area moves. You'll get swallowed up if you're not
I'm down for the count.
Use it.
Sorry.
That your best? Be gone.
It's unfortunate, but this is the end.
Gotcha.
Disappear. Plus chaos.
Well, I'm not letting that happen.
What did you do?
Oh, God. Hammered off, bro. Oh, my God.
Get away.
Coming.
Cockroach. Annoying. Take this.
That almost hit me.
Thank you.
So fast.
Oh, man.
Despair. Get away.
If I had been able to catch him.
Don't get in my way. You're serious.
No, I was gonna get him. I was gonna get him good, dude.
Disappear. Be gone.
I get them both. All right, well, there's
Down
Sue.
for the count.
Sue is out of here. I cannot let Sue get back in.
It's unfortunate, but this
There's Deku. Cannot let Deku get back in here. All right. Oh, man.
Keep going.
Touch me and die.
I tried.
Quit. Where are you looking?
No, I missed.
Enjoy.
Damn it. Damn it.
What did you do? So itchy. This is your end.
Gotcha.
Plus chaos. Crush you. Disappear. You're serious? You won't do anything.
Man.
Disappear. I see right through you.
It's like, of course you're gonna try to come after me like that. That
Disappear.
wasn't a good one. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
This is your end. Disappear. Where are you? Disappear.
new safe area established. If you don't do anything,
Well, don't roll into it.
This is your end. Disappear. The power of the demon lord.
I don't want Sue back in.
Such power. I'll destroy you. Disappear.
Ah, God, dude.
I'll crush you.
Yep, Sue's back. I knew it. Damn it. Damn it. Ah. I did not want Sue getting back in, but I could not find her. Damn it, son. Ah. It would have been sweet if I downed both of them with that one beta.
The team that overcame it all to capture victory.
I promise I'll this time, this
I
time,
might
this
be able
time,
to
this
reach.
time,
All right.
this time,
Bye,
this time,
Deku.
I'm really
Behold your future master.
I did almost clutch that, though. I did almost clutch that. I didn't even get top damage. Oh, man. They got top KOs, 8 people. They did good. They were... their entire team is on here. They did good as a team. If I could have kept Sue out, I wouldn't have felt as pressured. It would have kept my gamma going. Damn it. I just didn't... I knew that I downed her up on that balcony. So I was trying to hit the balcony. Team KOs, 3. I got the 3. Man, I love Tech Shiggy. I love him so much. Love playing him. He is so fun, even though he's busted. I guess that's kind of meant to be the point, is that he is busted. He's supposed to be like in-game Shiggy. It's supposed to be you need a bunch of people to take him down. If it was any of them by themselves, Deku would probably be the one that would be the hardest, because he could kind of zip around. He'd be able to snipe me a little bit easier with his alphas. Sue, I was able to catch a Sue pretty easy, because obviously they hit you with the alpha and then they fly at you. You kind of know where they're coming from if you could see them. So it's a little bit easier to catch them with an alpha. So, is the buff, is the nerf a big deal? Yes. The 50 HP, I think, is a big deal, but he is still a raid boss. Probably what they intend is for him to be a raid boss. Obviously, like, the special tuning, these 2 special tunings put together are really, really good. It's really only good with him, because he is able to give himself armor back. But he's still a raid boss. He's still really strong. He is still hard to take down if you don't constantly pressure him. But what do you think? Do you think that the buff was a big deal? Do you think the buff makes him weaker? You think the buff makes him not valid anymore? Which I still think he is the best Shigaraki, even though I love Strike. And I would still say he is one of the best characters. He's one of the strongest skill sets. But what do you think? Did he get bumped down because of the nerf? Let me know. And with that, like and subscribe. Hope you had a good time. Hope you enjoy. Let me know anybody you want to see. We have the recording of today. 2 days. I'll even show you. We have, because I'll go to the weeklies here. 2 days. It is Monday. We have Gentle Criminal coming out. Gentle Criminal. And I want to say, I fucking called it. I called it. If you don't know what I mean, go see my last top 5 video that I made. I called it. Will my prediction for season 19 come true? Maybe. Maybe. So, have a good day. And always remember,
Confident, just how I like it.
just keep healing, dude. Just use your gamma. Use his gamma.